All right, class. We are actually going to review a little bit more on our fractions because it is so important. So if you could all hold up your pizza charts that you just made with a fraction on one side and the picture on the other, that would be great. Awesome. Okay, so let's look at this one that Anna showed us before. So she drew a pizza with 5 different slices, and her fraction was 3/5. Her fraction was 3/5 because she colored in 3 out of the 5 slices on her pizza. So here's another one. So how many slices does this pizza have? They're pretty big slices. 2. Yes, this pizza has 2 slices. So there's 2 possible slices at the bottom. That's why the 2 is at the bottom, because there's only 2 different slices to choose from. So 1 slice was shaded in right here. Only 1 was shaded in. So 1 out of the 2 slices was shaded in, and so the 1 goes on the top. So 1 out of 2, 1/2. See how half of the pizza is shaded in and the other one is not? Let's look at this one. We have the fraction of 1/3. If we look at our pizza right here, we can see that 1 out of the 3 slices is actually shaded in. See? So we have the 1 on the top because 1 out of 3 slices was shaded. And the 3 is on the bottom because there are 3 different slices to choose from. 3 slices make up the whole fraction. So let's look at the one on the bottom. So we have 8 slices. So the 8 goes on the bottom because there are 8 slices to choose from. 8 slices make up the whole pizza. See how 8 slices make up the whole pizza? So how many are shaded in this place? In this case? Yes, there are 4 slices. We can even count them together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 out of the 8 slices are shaded in. And that is how we get 4 out of 8. But if you look at it, what else could this be? This is also equal to 1/2. And if we look at our other fraction that we did before, you can see that they look very similar. In fact, they are the same. Both are 1/2. This is our Hershey bar from earlier. We broke it up into 4 pieces. Remember how we had 1/4 before because we shared only 1 out of the 4 slices with a friend? How could we make half? By shading in 2 slices. So if I gave away 2 pieces of my Hershey bar to a friend, I would have 2 left, right? I would have half of the bar left. And that is why this fraction would be 2 out of 4 slices, which also is 1/2. You guys have all done such a great job today learning about fractions. Remember, fractions are a piece of the whole. Just like we have a whole candy bar and we shared a couple pieces. Fractions are pieces of the whole. Great job.